Supreme Court ruled that Donald Trump sweeping emergency tariffs are illegal. According to news, they said Donald Trump announced that he is going to put tariff of 10% to all the goods that is coming to United States of America in all European countries. That any European country at all that want to come and do business in United States of America, that they are going to pay 10% tariff. They said when the European Union heard about the news that President Trump announced to the public, the European Union were angry. They now have to sue President Trump to Supreme Court. As they sue President Trump to Supreme Court, they said President Trump were going to court. President Trump now have to take 4 of his lawyers that will go and defend him in that place. As they got there, they said 2 of his lawyers messed up. They now join the judge in that Supreme Court, while another to defend President Trump very well. But according to news, they said the Supreme Judge said that what President Trump is doing is illegal. It's not good at all. How can you just wake up one day and start putting 10% tariff to all the goods that is coming to your country? It's not good. It's unfair. So the Supreme Court now said that it's not going to work. Now President Trump is very angry. He's not happy at all. He said, why did this Supreme Court judge say something like that? Now people were now asking President Trump question that what are you now going to do? President Trump is saying that since they did not accept 10% tariff, that now he is going to put 15% tariff from now till or Tuesday for 1 week. This thing is affecting a lot of businesses because people were even complaining that if they carry their goods to the United States of America, that nobody is buying it from them again. That people are saying that the thing is too cost, except they reduce that thing. And they don't know what they are going to do. The thing is affecting them. That President Trump needs to calm down. Take a look at the video.
Just as countries around the world were getting to grips with a new 10% global tariff imposed by Donald Trump, the US president has raised it further. In the last few minutes, he's posted on social media that it will now be 15%. It's in response to a Supreme Court decision that ruled most of his previous levies were illegal. The White House has announced the new tariff will be enforced from Tuesday. Sabah Chowdhury has more on this and what it means for the UK.
This will be indeed the golden age of America. It's coming back.
It was his signature policy.
If you look at that,
a league table of bold, controversial and disruptive global tariffs.
39%, we're going to charge them 20%.
But yesterday, the U.S. Supreme Court voted the president overstepped his powers.
Foreign countries that have been ripping us off for years are ecstatic. They're so happy. And they're dancing in the streets, but they won't be dancing for long, that I can assure you.
And that wasn't an empty threat, with the president introducing new temporary tariffs at 15%.
So there's no view expressed by the Supreme Court about right or wrong tariff policy, but it is very clear about constitutional limits here. And so where do we go from here? I mean, the president has been very clear that he still sees tariffs as a critical part of his economic policy. And that's exactly where the administration has pivoted.
And while Trump's ruling is a major victory for businesses, not everyone's celebrating. Anne Claire has a crafts business in West London. Constantly changing tariffs are confusing customers with serious consequences.
We've lost sort of 30 to 35% of our US clients. The customers were at a complete loss as to what was going on. We had to reluctantly embed the duty into the prices for our products to make sure that the customers could continue to buy with us.
Anne Claire says she hopes for some form of rebate, but isn't optimistic. For major UK industries, the implications of these new tariffs remain unclear. And Downing Street says it wants to preserve the privileged trading relationship agreed last year. But for a president who governs through leverage, this is a rare institutional check. A reminder that even in a second term, power has limits.
I don't really know what is wrong with this man called President Trump. Whether this man, sometimes if they drink what they call ogogoro, once he finish drinking the ogogoro, he will not start misbehaving. He will not know what he's doing again. He will just come out and start saying different things to the public. I don't really know. May God come and help this man, because the way this man is going is not good at all. Well, my dear brothers and sisters, anything you think about this video, do not forget to leave it in the comment below, and not forget to share, like, and subscribe. As you do that, thank you and God bless you. And I will see you in my next video.